Hello everyone, welcome back to Super Mega Baseball. We're going to be playing game 1 on round 1, right here. And here we are. Let's play some baseball. Hopefully this isn't it like my Chargers did with a loss. Anyways, it's going to be an out. Always a bad way to begin your game. And another play, nice job, and Sanders is going to... Here comes DeMarcus Lava, who recently retired on the San Diego Chargers at age 34. Kind of a tragic move there by him. And then he pops it up for the third out. So you gotta be careful in this game. Everything is going wrong for me in this game so far. It's Eric Graves on the mound, as you can see. He hits it up. Rusty Boston. We gotta get that double play. 1 to 3 to 1. Good. Alright, here's Casey Sanders, the home run god. Anyways, it's going to be a good single there for Casey. Here's O.J. Brown hitting it. And he might go all the way. Alright, go. We need full playoff effort here in this game. He's out, but we got our score that we wanted. 1-0 Moose. That's a single. Okay, sit there by Chris Goddard. He's in for a single. Maybe even a double. Oh, can you go home? No. There. Oh my, you gotta go to the bag. That was my fault. The Moonstar's like #1 in the division, I thought so. That was completely my fault. Just don't get mad at them. I don't know. I didn't want to get him out, but they don't want the other one to get out. So anyways, I should just stick the score. Lucky Luster is up now. I think what I'm going to do is just keep recording like 3 innings. Whoever's leading, we get the win. Unless I win. But if I'm up 4-0 in the third inning, it's usually in the bag. So, Eric Graves get on base. Here's Tucker Williamson, who's not been hitting very good lately, and he's going to run into a double play. Rodney Park. And he's going to get a triple. It's looking like so far. Come on, Lava. I know you're in retirement, but seriously. Stack Leaf is up. Now let's give him the fork ball. Pops it up. Just to make sure. Now it's their pitcher. If their pitcher goes out, I'm gonna scream. Come on. Don't be like Carson Hyde and Patrick Lynch in the pitcher home run club. Oh no, now it's the leadoff hitter with 2 outs. Looks at a strike. Pops it up. Good job. It's sit there by Lava, but it's going to be in a bounce. No, I didn't want to do that. Let's go! God, here's Casey Sanders. He gets hit for a nice single. Here's O.J. Brown. Come on, finish this off. Just hit a home run. That one's a little bit low. Low again. Hits it. That's exactly what I wanted from O.J. Brown. A 3-run shot for him. Chris Goddard is up. That's a nice pitch. And then he hits it into the gap for a double, it's looking like. He's a speed demon on my Gophers. He is graduated, by the way. His brother CJ got it on there, which that series is over already. What am I saying already? It's been like, I think it went like 7 seasons in there, I think. Anyways, fly out. Just check out this hit from Tucker Williamson. He's on with the dog. I'm just gonna show the good hitters, I think, from now on out. And a good way to cap it off with a Martell Sanders home run, who's now got the big role in the Chargers franchise since the Marcus Lava retired. Stephon Diggs gave him a 7-year, $280 million deal and turned it down. This guy was in retirement. Nice single there. Here's OJ Brown. Oh, he has a home run today. Wants to get his second on the day. Hits it up. This is going to be out of here. That's weird. A weird home run. His second of the day. Now here we go. It's Chris Goddard. Who hammers it? Here's Tucker Williamson. Hammers it in for a single. Here's Martell Sanders. Just go. Just go. Shot by him. And safe. There we go. Trying to kick the head double digitally. This game is a breeze for us. Go hit. No, no, no. Go home. What are y'all doing? Oh, you go back. You go back. You go back. You go back. Go back. Go back. There you go. Here's Casey Sanders, who you don't want to give a light bitch to. Change up, and he'll knock it out of the park. Nice hit there by Sanders. And this one is into the gap. One run comes home. He might just clear the bases here. 11-0. Now he's going to plow to the pitcher. Watch out. Just kidding. Here's OJ. Hammers it into the gap. He's just going to keep going. Just like that, he's on with a triple. Martell, who hammers it into the gap once again. He is a beast at baseball. By the way, the next video is going to be the championship. I'm just going to play the next game by myself and have a recap because this team's easy. Casey Sanders. Come on, clear the bases. No, he almost hit there. You gotta be careful for these pitches to Martell. Like, don't give him a change up. That is not the pitch you want to give him. You should hit that every day of the week. And welcome to the hit home run parade for the pitcher. It's here, Greaves, who goes yard.